Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, November 18th, 2010. Today we had a total of 4 executable trade signals for a max potential of 18 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 1188.75. We had a nice large gap up, had extreme tick readings to the upside, and we immediately crossed over our moving average, pulled back to it, gave us a signal long, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for a nice 8-tick move to start off the day. We then came into our 10 o'clock news, and you can see on that news time the market just did a large jump up and continued its upward ways, climbed higher ever so slightly, and then we started kind of just moving sideways for the most part. You can see that as the market just kind of pushed sideways, and finally camped down through our moving average, gave us a signal short. It was a small little swing there, and that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks. So there in the morning there was 2 nice trades, both hit T2. Then we got into our lunchtime dead zone. That's the red area you see on the chart here. And during the dead zone we do not initiate any new trades. We just kind of sit on our hands, wait for lunch to come and go. You can see the volume was quite light, and again the market was just basically moving sideways. And then coming out of lunch there was another signal set up to the downside that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks. And then reversed right at the 2:30 reversal time, came back through the moving average, came down for the fill. First contract you're able to get off before as the market pushed higher, but it did not look what happened. The T2 level was touched to the tick, but it more than likely there was no fill on just a 1 candle touch like that. So we're going to go ahead and count that as a stop, and we're going to say a T1 minus 2 stop, and then we don't do anything after 3 o'clock. So anyway, we're still out here in Vegas having a nice time at the Traders Expo. You can see we're still on. Today we are back to the Sierra charts. I did speak with the folks at Thinkorswim, and they have some of their charting issues behind them, so they believe. So Friday looks like we're going to be back on Thinkorswim charts. They found the problem earlier in the week. They fixed it, and unfortunately they just can't do anything but test it until the market is live, and they have 50,000 type users on there with the volume. But they put a limiter on it today, and we had a little issue right around the 10 o'clock Eastern news. It kind of froze up slightly, but I spoke with Tom Slosnoff, and he assured me that he's going to widen it, and things should be good tomorrow. So we'll see, and until then, thanks, and make it a great day.